Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about a recent incident, or the narrow escape really, that I encountered while using Openpilot on highways. So here, I was driving on the A2 motorway at about 60 miles per hour. Well, actually, it was Openpilot driving at the time, and in fact, it had been performing so well for some time that my vigilance level started to decrease. First, notice this black van to my right, and now enter this Mercedes on the slip road, accelerating and trying to merge onto the highway. Yet Openpilot had no intention of slowing down, so I took over almost at the last second, steering away a little bit, as well as pressing on the brake, and that was so close and dangerous. I still feel sorry for that black van that seemed quite startled by my sudden move. Let's look back once more to see what happened. We need to understand that Openpilot doesn't respond to cars in adjacent lanes unless it recognizes them as potential cut-ins. In this case, Openpilot didn't identify the Mercedes as a cut-in, and therefore was only concerned about maintaining the distance to the current lead car, as if the Mercedes didn't exist at all. Of course, we as human drivers will know better, but this is a tricky one in my opinion, as A, our speed was actually higher than the Mercedes at the time, and B, we didn't know how long the slip road actually was, and accordingly, if the Mercedes would be forced to cut in, even at a lower speed, as it was already reaching the end of it, or it might keep accelerating in the slip road for longer. In fact, it was not until I saw the end of the slip road, right here, that I decided to take over and give way. By the way, I should point out that it will be much safer if I only press on the brake and not steered, something I'll keep in mind next time. To see this again with Openpilot head-up display overlays, notice how it never tagged Mercedes with the yellow triangle, signaling that it didn't treat it as a potential cut-in and never expected to become a lead car. Well, until much later, like right here. As this isn't the first time I'd experienced Openpilot's reluctance to give way to vehicles merging from a slip road, I thought I should make this video and let you guys know, so we can all be more alert with it. What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. Drive safely, and see you in the next video.